You searched for how to buy shares of Enad Global 7AB. This video shows the practical steps for EG7.ST, a Swedish video game group listed on CBOE EU. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy any stock, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EG7.ST to find the exact listing. Make sure the search result matches the Enad Global 7AB company entry before opening it. On the stock page, you can read the company's summary and view the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Check the basic company details and trading venue to be sure. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once confirmed, your position will appear in your portfolio view and you can monitor it there. A helpful link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.